This video is going to explain what I want you to do for the upload for Lab 23A. Normally, I have students hand in the whole lab, but that's on paper, and I want to make this simple for you guys. So these right here, the matching, is going to be on your test in 7 days, so you better know what they are. The answers are above. This is going to be an essay question on your tests, so you better know what they are. All I want you to upload for this is the last part of the lab, which is right here. And I care about 3 things. I want to see the results. And I want to see what the fermentation tube is, how many milliliters of carbon dioxide it produced. I want you to answer these questions, and I want you to make a bar graph. It is up to you how you make the bar graph. If you want, you can just print out this page, make the bar graph there. Take its picture, hand it in. You can do it on scratch paper, but I want these actually to be an even interval between them. So let's say that is 2 centimeters, that's 2 centimeters. It has to be an even interval. Or you can do it on Excel, just type these answers underneath the graph and your data. So here's Excel. I'm going to copy and paste the purpose in. And because I'm copying from a PDF, it's messed up. So I'm just going to copy and make this nice. Then milliliters of carbon dioxide. I'm going to make up these numbers. So I made up the numbers. I then just go highlight them, insert bar graph. Oops, move the graph up here, select data. That is either command click or right click. I'm using a Macintosh today, so it says horizontal category axis. On the PC version, there is x-axis right here. They just want to be fancy for the Mac. I'm going to label those, hit enter, hit OK. There's my graph. Then you just do 1 at the acidic pH, because that one obviously made the most milliliters. So again, don't spend too long on this. I want this to be simple and fun, and I want you to study for your test in a week. Thank you.